Good afternoon, everybody. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this program. And I also thank Purnima and Akhil for taking this initiative to organize this program to commemorate the International Women's Day. The topic that we have decided is women in leadership. And of course, you talk about women in leadership in CSD, the first name that comes to your mind is none other than Durgabai Deshmukh. So she was a leader in her own right, and among many other things that she did as a leader was to establish CSD. But when we celebrate with this topic, let's not celebrate only leadership in the sense that only celebrate achievements of few women have done wonders in political arena, in corporate or in some other area, but also all the leaders who are working in their own domain, maybe in a small place, in a small community, maybe they take leadership to solve some local problem which otherwise remained unsolved for years. Uh, because the women empowerment is not just about leadership, it's also about having them their rights. And people talk about glass ceiling, that okay, you can go up to some place but not beyond that. But I think to me, glass fence is more important than glass ceiling, because the major problem in India is not that you are not able to rise in an organization, but essentially you are not able to get out of your home. That is the glass fence we have. When your workforce participation rate is less than 20%, that says something. And that has been declining over time. Now, that's a major, negative, trend that we have seen over the last few decades, not few years. Now, why this is happening, that is something to be understood. It's not easy. It's not like it's just about leadership, but there are some social constraint, institutional constraint that might be the factor behind it. And we must not forget that, this when you talk about women's deprivation, there are layers within it. It's not like about, not allowing somebody to rise above, but it's also about, giving the right. Layers, as I said, today if some big company which is not giving equal right to its women employees, you don't give equal pay as you pay the men, and suddenly the ownership of that company falls in the hands of a woman. You think that things will change, from the next day, the women employees will get their rights? No, because you are working in the same patriarchal institutional social system. That is something needs to be challenged. So I think that, along with leadership and leadership at all levels, we need to understand what are the problems that women facing, in all spheres, not only in the sphere of work, but in society, in family, in all other possible areas. Now, to do this, we have, very eminent personalities. The session would be chaired by Dr. Gavin Kelkar, who is currently a visiting professor at CSD, but she has held many important positions. I'm not going to details of that. We have Dr. Venkat Narayanan, who is teaching at Christ University. You see, you have a man to celebrate Women's Day, not to give a sense that the women panelists come as a matter of reservation. No, they come in their own right, and a man can also come in his own right. So we have mixed panel in that sense. We have Dr. N. Maithili from NUPA, and last but not the least, we have Dr. Nitya Rao from University of East Anglia. I will not take much of your time, and I will now request Dr. Kelkar to take charge and conduct the session. Thank you all.